space. Take a look around. This space holds so many memories, so many memories, so many milestones, so many tears, so much laughter, so much learning, so much growth. For years and years and years, Brandeis students have graduated in this space, received their first Tanakh in this space, received their first Siddur in this space, led Tefillah, shared in celebrations, taught us, learned, and this space holds all of that. And we all know, or if you don't know, you will now, this summer, this entire building is going to be torn down. And it's going to be replaced. Rodef is building a whole new synagogue from the ground up. And we will one day again stand in that new sacred space. But today is the last day that we will stand in this sacred space. And while it's sad and hard to say goodbye to a space that has held so much and launched so many people into their next chapter, we know so well that the new space that is being built will become a new sacred space for new rituals, new memories, new learnings, new growth. It will guide us into the future. It will become, even though we do not know it now the way we know this warm, homey space, it will become a sacred space to us. It will be renewed of energy and full of possibility.